What's going on, everybody? Today, I'm going to be showing you how to build your very own voice agent chatbot using GoHighLevel. So let's get right into it. So here is my website, nextworldlabs.com. And as you can see, I have my voice agent, Lila, my support agent. And essentially what this is it's a voice agent that is on your website. Now, if you've ever used the chatbot on a website before, you pretty much just have a text conversation and you ask for a human as soon as possible. Now, with this, we can actually go ahead and talk to the agent. I'm going to be showing you how to do this all on GoHighLevel with a 14-day free trial, so you can get started right away without any upfront costs. Now, I'm going to play this. It might have a overlay with two different microphones because I already did this video twice. But let's see if it actually does it again. I'm going to play it for a few seconds just because I don't want it to ruin the audio experience, but this is the gist of it.
Hey, you have reached Next World Labs. How can I help you today?
Hey, can I book in an appointment with Jordan, please?
Sure, let me check the available slots for you. One moment. Here are the available slots. Today, February 10th. 4 p.m. and 4:30 p.m. tomorrow, February 11th, 9:30 a.m., 11:30 a.m., and 1 p.m. Thursday, February 12th, 8:30 a.m., 10:30 a.m., and 12:30 p.m. Let me know which one works for you.
Let's go ahead and book in an appointment for tomorrow.
All right. For tomorrow, February 11th, we have the following times available: 9:30 a.m., 11:30 a.m., 1 p.m. Which time works best for you?
Let's go ahead and do 1 p.m.
Got it, 1 p.m. tomorrow, February 11th. I see we have your email as jordanleesmedia@gmail.com. Is that correct?
That is correct.
You're all set. Your appointment is confirmed for tomorrow, February 11th at 1 p.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
That'll be it. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you for calling and have a great day.
Okay, and there you have it. An appointment was booked in my Google Calendar, and it was also sent to the client right here through Gmail. And so you get a notification, the customer does, and you get it booked in your calendar. And so if somebody comes on your website, this AI voice agent can book appointments for you without you having to do anything. But essentially, this agent just books in appointments. You can ask it a lot more questions than I just did. But we'll go from here into GoHighLevel. When we're in GoHighLevel, if we come over to, assuming you already have GoHighLevel, we will come over once you've created an account, and we will go to our sub account. And in this tab section here, I'll just open this up. You'll see AI agents. We're going to select AI agents. We're going to go to voice AI. Once we are in the AI agents tab here, we're going to go to agent list. And here is where you have your dashboard of all of your different agents. And this is Lila, the one that I just had on my own website. So we're going to create our own from scratch here. So what we're going to do is go create agent. And what you can do is browse the marketplace. So if we go continue, you can have different ones for different niches and industry. So we've got a law firm one, we've got roofing services. So you can just come and use one of these templated agents and get set up right away. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a custom agent. We're going to click continue here. And here is where you're going to create your new agent. Now from here, if you go beyond this step, you're going to be asked to enter in a knowledge base, and then you're going to have to backtrack. So what I'm going to show you how to do is create the knowledge base first. Now, what this is just information to give to your agent, whatever you'd like to give it. But in this case, we're going to be doing it for Toronto Dental 416. So for a dental office. And basically what I've done here is I've used Gemini to give me a document based on a dental office in Toronto. And so if I go to rich text here, you'll see that I've already uploaded this document here, and all I did was go into Gemini and say, this is my business name, these are the services that we offer, and then it made me a document just about our services, operating hours. And so for this example, I'm just going to import this into our agent. I'm going to copy this over, and we're going to build one ourselves. So I'll copy this, and from here we're going to create a knowledge base, and let's go Toronto Dental 416. I'll just go to Toronto Dental Office Voice Agent. We'll go create. Okay. And from here, we're going to go to rich text. Now you can add in a URL, which I'll just show you how to do right now. If we go add source, web crawler, essentially what you're doing is just entering in. So if I go nextworldlabs.com, it's going to scrape the website, and it's going to pretty much take all the data from the website and just have it as its own knowledge base as well. So you can crawl your website, and you can also add a source. You can add a PDF file, a Word document, something like that, FAQ, tables. So we're going to add in a rich text, which is just very simple because you can just paste in text. And so we'll go Toronto Dental knowledge base, and we're going to save that. And once that is saved, now we'll be able to add that knowledge base and give it to our agent. Okay, so we're going to let this save. There we go. I'm just going to refresh this just so it actually uh, is able to see that new knowledge base. And so now we're back in the create a new agent section here, and the agent name, we're going to just name her Jessica because the voice we're going to select is Jessica's voice. So we're just going to keep it simple. And the business name is going to be Toronto Dental 416. You can select whatever voice that you want from here, whichever one. We're just going to go with Jessica's voice. So let's play it quickly.
Hey, Worldly 11 Labs friends, let's talk. Let's have a conversation about anything. My name's Jessica, and
Okay. So that's Jessica's voice. The time zone, we're just going to leave it as is. We're going to select the GPT 4.0 model and the agent's initial message, which will be just the first message that she says to the person on the website. So, hey, you've reached Toronto Dental. We'll go with that. How can I help you today? We'll go next. And the next thing here is the agent goal. So we're going to switch to advanced mode. And as you can see, this is where you're going to select that knowledge base. So you want to give this agent as much information about your business as possible. So we're going to select Toronto Dental 416, and we'll just select this one that we just got here. And so when to use this knowledge base, we're just going to leave this as is. So use this knowledge base if the user asks any questions about the business, services, products, contact details, or other information. And so I just leave this as is, and then the prompt agent, it just gives the agent role and objective. And so you can change this here, agent role and objective, your agent Jessica. And I think I actually imported this myself, and it's not already as is. So I'm going to be leaving this in my Skool community. If you want to go ahead and download this, there's a GoHighLevel section. I'll be leaving it in if you want to copy this prompt, because I don't think that this comes as is. Support specialist at Toronto Dental, focusing on assisting my clients. Then I've got the handling caller queries, general rules, call flow script, and conclude your actions. So what we want to do here is we're going to go appointment booking. And so this is going to allow the agent to actually pick a few actions that are going to happen either during the call or after the call. So I'm going to pick my calendar here, which will be my personal calendar. And so it's going to book in appointments into your calendar for you. I just leave this as is here. So days of offering dates, consecutive days for the agents to suggest dates, appointment slots per day, and hours between slots. I just leave these at 30. So we will save that. And so now the voice agent will be able to take the action of booking an appointment in your calendar. Now, how are you going to connect your Google Calendar? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So if we come over to settings here, we're going to come down to integrations right here. And from here, we are going to, as it says right here, Google Calendar, and then it's in a different spot now. So we're going to go take me there. And I've already connected my calendar, but what you're going to want to do here is add new. You're going to connect your Google Calendar here, and all you have to do is sign in with your Gmail account here, and you can come back over to Calendar, which is right here, and it's going to be connected to your Google Calendar. So from here, it'll actually book in appointments. Here you can come check it out and GoHighLevel, and you can also check it out in your Google Calendar. Since we've added in the appointment booking action, the next thing that we can do here is add in the call transfer. A few other things that you can do are trigger an automation. You can see on the left here, an automation, the automation tab. You can trigger one of those workflows during the call or after the call if you decide to do so. You can send a SMS text message reminder if you'd want to do that. And you can also update your contacts and do a custom action if you decide to do so. But what we're going to do here is just add in the call transfer. And so this is going to transfer a call to a human. So if you are on the website, and you don't feel like talking to that voice agent, you can just ask to be transferred to a human and it will transfer it to a phone number. So what we'll do is just go to call transfer to a human, and the phone number will transfer to, we'll just select something here. When should the call transfer take place? If the user wants to talk to a human or the manager, and what to say before transferring the call. We'll just go, please. We'll go, I am transferring you to a live representative. And let's just go ahead and save that. So now we have the call transfer to a human, and we also have the appointment booking action. And okay, so phone and availability. What we'll do from here is add in one of our phone numbers from GoHighLevel. So I'm just going to select one of these right now, and I'm actually going to show you how to add in a phone number into GoHighLevel from here. So let's go, and this is going to be in your sub account, and then we will go phone system. And depending on your location, there might be some regulations that you have to go around. For Canada and the US, it's pretty easy. So I'm from Canada, so I'm going to go and choose Canada. And you can see I got numbers from BC, Quebec, Calgary. So you just want to select one of these, proceed to buy, and then you'll have your phone number good to go. So if I come back, we've got our phone number. So we're going to come back over here and select our phone number. And now we've got this tab here, enable AI agent as a backup to the phone number pool. AI agent will answer the call if the user doesn't respond. So that's more for a phone call. If you don't answer, it's going to send it to the AI agent. Now set working hours for the agent. You can set them here. So, you can go 8 to 5 p.m. You can go Saturday, Sunday, whatever you want to do. I'm just going to leave it as is because we want the agent active 24/7 like it says here. And from here, that is pretty much it. We can choose the call type. So for example, we're going to select web call and we're going to implement this into our website right now. I already showed you what the agent could do. And so you can actually go ahead and test this as a phone call or a web call. And so if you go phone call here, you can do that. And then you can go enter the number to receive the call. And you can just put in your phone number right there and test it out for yourself. But because I already showed that, if the audio was good, I'm going to show you how to embed this now. And so what you want to do is make sure to save it. We're going to save that. Let's see here. We're going to go to sites. Because we want to embed it, we'll go sites, and then all the way on the right here, you'll see chat widget. Once we are in the chat widget section, we will create a new one. We'll go select the type of chat and we'll select voice AI. So let AI talk, listen, and assist your visitors to handle voice conversations for you 24/7. Here that I have Jessica, our AI support agent, and you can select the style here. So chat prompt. Let's see here. You can change the icon here at the bottom right. And for the theme, I go purple, but you can select whatever theme that you want. And then here's the welcome message. So you can go, hi there. This is Toronto Dental. How can I help you today? All right. And so once you have customized your agent here, now what you want to do is embed your code into your website. And that is how you're going to get it working. So we're going to go get code. We're going to copy this over like that. I'm going to go to my website, and right here, I'm on Framer. So if you're in WordPress, you just have to add in one of the code plugins and just add it in the bottom of your code. So AI voice agent, and all you have to do is in Framer, you just come to custom code and you paste that code in, you save it, and then you will have your AI voice agent. If you guys want to start building your own voice agents for your website today, you can use the link in the description down below for a 14-day trial using GoHighLevel, and you can start building them with no upfront cost. If you guys did like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.